Meal scheduling automation for a big family house kitchen solves timing chaos so every dish finishes hot and ready together. Start by mapping every dish to its required cook time and temperature, and note whether it needs resting or hold time. Use that list to build a timeline from the first prep step to the final plating. Integrate smart ovens and cooktops where possible by connecting them to a central family hub so you can push schedules to each device and adjust settings remotely. When devices do not support direct integration, use smart plugs, temperature probes, and labeled timers to approximate control. Create recipe-based schedules that break each recipe into prep, cook, and rest segments and assign exact start times that account for staging and oven capacity. For large roasts or multiple sheet trays, stagger starts by temperature compatibility and estimated recovery times. Use voice prompts through a shared home assistant to announce upcoming actions and to confirm completed steps so cooks can keep hands free while staying synchronized. Build printed checklists for each station listing sequence, times, and who is responsible to reduce errors and make handoffs clear during high activity windows. Test the full run once on a smaller menu to validate timings and then adjust recovery buffers and alert thresholds so the system becomes reliable for the event. Common issues include overloading ovens, which leads to long recovery times and uneven cooking, so avoid crowding, split items across multiple units, or stagger start times to keep heat recovery manageable. Another frequent problem is mismatched recipes where resting time is ignored, so plan for hold windows or lower temperature holds, and schedule final sears or glazing last, so texture is preserved. If a recipe lacks a hold step, add one and adjust start time accordingly. Missed human actions such as forgetting to baste or move trays happen when reliance on automation is too high. So, pair voice alerts with printed station checklists and assign a single supervisor for timing conflicts to keep accountability. Clear. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to kitchen automation and renovations. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share plans, ask questions, and troubleshoot scheduling setups together so everyone learns from real projects.